Hey guys, this is the Denese-n-DaBoys automatic bird feeder. Well, bird feeder with camera, and it's really cool. It has all these, it has a bunch of parts, so we'll get to those in a minute. But it has a camera built in here. Pay no attention to my finger that got slammed in the door. What I like about these newer ones is that the wire is already fed through there. You don't have to try to get inside there and feed the wire. And then you just open it up to put your bird seed in here, and we'll do that here in just a little bit. And I've already put together this part. It has this little perch and a suet feeder, water, and this is to put like an apple or something on. And then your bird feed will be in here and they can get to it. And then this is your antenna, so it can attach to Wi-Fi. You've got your manual, USB cables, your USB cable going to your solar. I've already had that out getting it charged, so I'm going to figure out where I'm going to install this, and then we'll take a look at it. I decided to put it on my back porch. It will identify over 11,000 bird species. I have it attached to my home Wi-Fi so I can tap into it on my phone and the app anytime, and I'm really enjoying it. Thanks to the brand for sending it to me, and thanks to you guys for watching.